Hello, everybody. Hello, welcome to 2026. It's nice to see you guys to be on my stream. For those of you who have been subscribers for some time now, we are very much happy to have you guys. So, like as you were saying, um, today is the 25th day of January 2026. So, you're welcome to this stream. So, what are we going to be discussing today? We will be discussing we'll be discussing on how you should approach trading this 2026. The year has just started. You by now you must have built your structure, your plan, your budget for the year, and what you intend to achieve. But however, if you don't start immediately as the year has begun, January or is already has already gone half. So I feel that you must have start implementing as soon as possible all those budget, all those plans, all those projections that you have for this year. So as a trader, some of you have been struggling. No matter the phase you are in your trading journey, this 2026 should be where you should have a plan to from where you are to get to the next level. We understand that trading is a phase. Some persons it take them 3 years to decipher, to have their edge, to break their edge. Some persons 5 years, some even more, some less. But when you have a mentor, when you have a guide, and you have somebody who has already gotten an edge to guide you, then the journey becomes shorter. So that is where I am here to give you guys all the necessary guidelines, all the necessary tips for you to become a profitable trader. So if you have been following me for the past 1 year, you'll be noticing that I've been dropping analysis back to back, week in, week out, as much as I can, for you guys to know, to be able to guide you to know what you should be expecting in the market, the trade you should be looking at, the pairs you should be looking at. So this year, 2026, this is the first live stream I'm having this year, and the first video I'm dropping on this channel. I want to let you know that I've not forgotten you. We have been very, very busy doing other things, trying to set up some things. The academy, we've gotten meeting. I remember we are trying to set up an academy in Port Harcourt, that in River State, Port Harcourt, that's going to change the face of trading. And negotiations have been ongoing. We have gotten the office space. We are trying to set up some things, and I'm looking at actually making it free. Yes, I'm looking at making it free, so that you'll be able to know that the value we are giving, we are not just giving it online. For those who are in the city of Port Harcourt who wants to come and learn directly from me physically, you can come. So all of this, funds has been in place, a lot of sacrifices have been in place, capitals have been involved just to put all things together for you guys to come and actually enjoy. My goal is to trade to make a lot of people, at least 5 persons in this year, to push them from unsuccessful trader to traders who will be withdrawing money every week in the forex market. All right, so today, what is the topic for today? What are we talking about? We'll be talking about how you can approach trading this 2026. Now, why did we choose this topic? Why is this topic so very important? This topic is important because it helps you guys to know what is actually going on in the market. The market lately, if you observe, the dynamics of the market has changed. So you need to understand the new dynamics of the forex market. You need to understand the new stage, the new phase the forex market has entered. Yes, you used to know me that I'm used to be a swing trader. I hold my trade sometimes a week, sometimes some days for my TP to be hit. But guys, there is something that I want you to observe. Even if you want to be a swing trader, there is something you still need to know that is going on in the forex market right now. Now, because of the development of AI and all the bots and indicators all over the place. The market is moving, is the market is moving most times in a ranging phase. What do I mean? Between key support and resistance, the market hardly trends, especially when you're trading the exotic pairs, the major pairs like the GBP USD and the Euro USD. The market is hardly trending. You see that going up and it's coming down just like that. So it will be moving between key support and resistance level. And I'm going to tell you why that happens. Okay, you know the AI, the bots people use today. Some of these bots take say trades in nanoseconds. They pull trade, close, pull, open trade, close, open trade, and this is as a result of the fact that you will be seeing the chart. This chart will be going up and down all over the place. And another thing is that why you also need what you also need to know if you want to swing a trade. If you want to swing a trade, my recommendation, I don't care what anybody tells you, it has to do with risk management and all of that. My recommendation based on experience, based on what I've seen, you know that I'm a swing trader, I'm a fan of a swing trading. So I am in the best position to advise you on this. If you want to swing your trade and you know you trust that strategy that you have, whatever you are trading, SMC, Fair Valley Gap, whatever you are trading, whatever strategy you are using, if you have trust your strategy and you know the winning rate of your strategy, okay, make sure that if you are swinging a trade, don't break even. You heard it first on Living on Forest channel. Don't break even. I don't care what anybody tells you. I don't care what you watch on YouTube. I don't care what you watch anywhere. My personal experience, take it or leave it. But you're gonna learn and you're gonna see that what I am saying or what I am preaching is actually the real deal, guys. Why do I say that you shouldn't swing your trade? Okay, we are going to see a couple of examples to prove what I am saying to be true. I want to share my screen right now with you guys. Okay. Okay. You are welcome inside of my screen. This is Living on Forest. Okay, so I want to show you why I highly I don't recommend you I don't recommend you to do what to swing your trade. To if you want to swing, I highly recommend that you don't break even. Now let's go to GBP USD. Now, if you look at GBP USD, the general trend, if you go to the daily time frame, you will see the trend. Okay, we know that this is weekly time frame. The trend, the general trend is bullish trend. It is bullish trend. Okay, that is the general trend, bullish trend. But if you notice, there are deep pullbacks. Look at this. Had it been you took you took the trade here, you entered here, which is like a key level, support level, and then you ride the trend here, and maybe your target is around this area. Look at that pullback. So even if you break even, even if when you are here and you are in profit, you break even, this pullback will take your profit out and still go to where you are expecting it. The same thing happens. Okay, the same thing happens, repeat itself all over again. Okay, let's go to the daily time frame so that okay, so now let's assume that you took the trade here for a buy and you are targeting the next resistance point, maybe 500 pips into the future, thereabout, and this is your position. You will find out that you are in profit generally all over this region. But when the market started doing pullbacks, it made a deep pullback and it must have taken you out here. The same cycles repeat itself over and over again. Okay, let's go to the 4 hours time frame. You see those pullbacks. This is a bullish trend. Okay, let's assume you took the trade there and maybe this is your target point. You'll be in profit, but the market comes for a deep pullback, and peradventure you'll be taking out, or you'll be in a drawdown, which you might not have the patience, and then the market will still go to your expected direction. The same thing here. If you take the trade here or here, the market will give you profit, and then this deep pullback will take you out for what? For a break even. And another thing you need to consider, the time it takes from to get from where it is to the other side. You may not have the patience if you are not a damn swing trader that can leave trade for months and forget about it, and only check it one time in a day, or 1 in 2 days time. Then it is only the hedge funds and the big banks that are position traders that can hold trade for 6 months. But you, as a retail trader who wants to make profit because of your small capital, you will have that patience to hold a trade for 1 month, unless you know that that trade is going to give you serious return of investment. Okay, because the market is spiking all over the place, and it's not really healthy for a trend following trader. So if you want to swing your trade, just leave. Okay, I will give you that recommendation later. Now if you look at this, let me look for another pair. I think we've done GBP USD. GBP USD. Let's go to Euro USD. Euro USD. Okay, let me search Euro USD. Euro Euro dollar. Okay, so you see Euro USD, enter, go, spike out, enter, go, spike out, enter. This goes well, very well, and then look at the pullback. So if you took this trade, you're on this trade, the pullback would have taken out most of your profit margin. So if you took this trade here, the market goes, and then pullback are coming deep. It has been all over the place. So if you are taking this trade here, let's say you are targeting your TP around here. Let me use this stuff here. So let's assume that you take this trade here, and your TP is this environment, which is over 1,200 pips. And you took this will be March 2025. That's when you enter the trade. When the trade finally hits your TP is around this environment, which is June 2025, 30th of June. Let's say, give or take, because this 1st of July. So from March to July, March, April, May, June, July, March, April, May, June, July. That is over 4 months for you to capitalize this trend. Okay, so as a retail trader, do you have that patience to hold on this trade? Okay, let's assume you are targeting 200 pips. You still need patience. Okay, let's assume that from here you enter this trade here and you're targeting 200 pips. Let's see how long it's going to take you for your TP to be hit. Okay, let's say you take the trade here and you're looking for 200 pips. 200 pips. Okay, so you took the trade there and the market closed around this environment. You took the trade on the after this candle, this one, on the 14th of May 2025. The market finally smashed your TP on the June 2. So that is over May, June. So that's over close to a month for you to hold this trade for a 200 pips target. It's close to a month, 3 weeks. And before, when I take trade, I used to bank 350 pips, 400 pips, 500 pips, 250 pips. Those are the kind of trade I go for. But and sometimes it takes 3 days, 4 days, just the same week. If I Let's assume I take the trade on Monday, by Thursday, Friday, or I take the trade by Tuesday, by Thursday, Friday, the trade is hitting TP. Or better still, the next week, at most 5 trading days, the market has hit TP. But lately, I found out that it doesn't happen like that. Two things will happen. It's either it's going to take rigorous amount of time for your trade to hit your TP for 250 pips or 200 pips, or it's going to give you deep pullback that will make you scared, that will get you to be scared. You are in profit. Let's assume you are making like let's say you are making like $1,000 in profit. Then the market start giving you those deep pullback. You start seeing your profit going down from 1,000, 900, 800, 700, 600, 500, to the point that it's $97. What will be in your mind? You will start agitating, you will start being tense. Two things will be wallowing in your mind. Should I leave it? Should I leave it, or should I close on this little profit? Remember, recall you were making big profit, but now the profit has reduced so drastically, so your mind will not be happy. Sometimes you will end up saying you want to close so that the market will not go and hit your TP from a trade. You will not a stop loss from a trade that was in profit. You close and come back some few days later, maybe 1 week later, or from some few days later, you notice that the market reversed and still went to your take profit margin. So this is why I don't recommend it any longer. It's not healthy for your psychology unless you are extremely stable psychologically and you are ready to risk or to lose that trade. Because once you put your stop loss, you put your TP, you allow the market to breathe. Whatever the market does, if it doesn't take it out on the stop loss, you're going to take it out on the TP. Leave the market. If you have that mind, you have that tenacity, fine and good. But if you know it's going to affect your emotion when you see your profit rolling down, reducing, then you shouldn't be thinking of swing trading, because the market has been all over the place lately. And this is as a result of the AIs that are there. You see the market, look at JPP NZD, it has been sideways. So people who enter there took profit there, and people ain't buy. This is sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy. You see the market is not moving, has not been moving to any specific direction. It just sideways. And if you are a swing trader, you will be caught up in all of these sideways. And this is a whole lot of time. Let's say when the started August 2025 up to date January, the market is still running in this level, this region. But those who are taking short trade would have been taken out on profit or loss, and then they would have made more money while you will still wait on that one trade. So you can now see, guys, that this is what is happening. Only few pairs that are really trending and moving smooth. Like we know that UJ is a one directional pair, EJ is also moving smooth, one directional pair. So whether the pair is moving in a direction or what, or it's moving sideways, the general thing you need to know is that it's going to take time, a very reasonable amount of time, for your trade to hit your TP. It's going to take real good time for your trade to hit your TP if you are swinging. So my recommendation is, don't swing that trade unless you are patient enough, you are a good swinger, you don't have time, you can take whatever comes out, whatever is the outcome. Because what happens is this AI that you see that a lot of people have produced right now, this AI, they take short trades. They are built to take short trade. So you see a market that we buy now, all of them will be on buy. Before you know, the market will give them profit. They will close. As they are closing, the more people go out of a particular trend, the weaker the trend. So as they are closing their trade, you will notice that the market will start changing direction. And once they see that the new generation is healthy, they will start selling. Somebody that was on buy now will be on sell. Because of this AI, it will just be going buy and sell. Whatever direction it sees the market goes, it takes trade, closes and takes the other opposite side, close. If it's going up, it will take up and make profit. When you see that the market is reversing, he closes the and enter the reverse, the sell. You as a normal human will not want to trade like that, but most of these bots are built that way, and they are ready to take like a 60 cent profit, some $1 $1 they will take like 5 7 position, $1 and close and enter another $1 just like that. And this is done in seconds and nanoseconds. And this is as a result of the fact this has been the reason why the forex market has been all over the place. But generally, we know that the big boys ride the market, so they are position traders. They put their position and allow the market. So all of this noise that the AI does is just momentary. Last, the market will still go to the projection of the big boys, but the only thing that is going to delay because of those intermediate trades in between that these retail traders and this AI does. It will delay the trend, but the trend will still go, but it's going to take time. So what they do is that whenever there is news outbreak, they use this news to validate those their move, and you see them make more power, put more force, put more power, put more positions that to drive it to where they want to go. And then after that, you see the market going and then retracing and all of that. So if you want to trade this 2026, you have to change your approach in trading. If you're a swing trader, also have a strategy to take short trade. So what I recommend is when you have when you're trading, you have a strategy. Try to have a short trade strategy. While you trade your swing trading, you trade your short trade strategy, and over a period of time, you compare the two results and see the one that works best, and that is the one you should be focusing on, because that's actually what is going to make you money at that particular time. So I said, let me do this webinar to be able to guide you. We are back in the trading floor this 2025. Okay, so I will be updating you with weekly analysis, the pair you should be trading, and all of that. And for those of you who are interested in making money from forex market and they are not really interested in learning, because some persons say the calculations is too much, the stress, clocking on their screen all over every time. They don't have the shred, they don't have the willpower, the understanding is complex and all of that, but they still want to make money out of the forex market. I have something cooking for you. I'm planning something very that is going to be profitable for you. So I'm trying to use my strategy, which I've been teaching over a period of time, that has been proving so accurate, so successful, a high successful strategy. I've been trying to compress it to put it on something that will be easy for you guys. So yours is just to come and join us and make money, even with zero knowledge in forex. Just know how to operate the system, and then you are going to make money. So I'm having something for you when we are ready, when we are done with this, when we've back tested it and we see how good the system works and we start using it, then I will come and make this the announcement on this channel, so that those of you who are interested will queue in. Then if you are in the city of Port Harcourt or Rivers State and you want to come to the physical classes, you can see chat me up on the on the comment section below. We will make arrangement for you. But if you still want us to have one-on-one class online, privately online, so that I will be able to guide you the strategy I'm using, guide you, and until you start withdrawing, because that is what is more important. Trade, make profit, and withdraw. A lot of persons have been trading for 4 years, 3 years. I met a guy who had been trading for a long time. He has never withdrawn before, and we were able to help him to withdraw after making his first profit, and he was very happy. So that is how it is. When you start trading and you start making profits, now you will not believe. You start believing that this forex actually pays. Because if you start seeing stories on YouTube, you will feel that all these things are scam. But when you start withdrawing from your own accounts, from your profit, you will not believe that yes, it actually works. Yes, it works, but only few persons are profitable. So guys, this is a short live stream. I say let me drop for you guys so that you can watch it. It will be on this channel. Go back and watch it. Try to make a plan on how you approach the trading this 2026. Always remember that the market is dynamic. It changes over time. So don't be strict on what you feel you believe. Observe as you are trading, observe what is trend, what is happening in the market, and try to re-strategize, try to change your approach to the market based on the recent dynamics of the market. That's how the market works. The market is ever evolving, it's changing. So once it changes, you adapt. That means you're a profitable trader. You don't just trade the market because you make money. You trade and observe. Because if you don't do that, you're going to lose, and you'll be asking yourself, this product that has been giving you profit, why is it no longer working? Is my broker against me? It seems my broker is a problem. Your broker don't have your time, boss. Your broker does not have your time. So it is something you are doing that is not right, and it is something that you are not observing that is causing your problem. So I think with all of this, they say enough, a word is enough for the wise. I think with this, you'll be properly guided, and you'll go back to your drawing board and look at the chart very well and see what is going on in the market. Whatever you need, drop in the comment section. You want a question, you want a guidance, whatever you have a question based on what we are asking, whatever you need, just drop a comment on the comment section. If you find this video helpful, also comment. Your comment will always motivate us. Keep sharing to share to those people, your friends who have been struggling trading for so long. Keep sharing. Our goal is to help you to become profitable. And the more you share, the more you comment, the more you subscribe, gives us motivation that there are people who are expecting something from us this period. So it will make us to uh, never be dull. It will also make us to be motivated to drop more for you. We will never relent in giving you the gems that you need to become a profitable, successful forex trader. So, guys, I'm I have come to the end of this stream, and I want to sign out of my screen. So, finally, I will resume my usual way of dropping analysis, but not on this video. In our subsequent Traders Focus episodes, I will drop analysis on what you should be trading, how you should trade, the approach you should use, the strategy you should use to make short and quick trade. Trade that when you take before the end of the day, the market has gone to your TP and you close. Next time when you come back, you look at those short trades you take. Quick in, you are out. So that this bot and all this AI stuff will not be working against you. Thank you, and I'm standing out. Peace out.